give me this opportunity to tell my idea about everyone. What was that? Before I tell you something, I have a question to all of you guys. You just don't answer for that. Just raise your hand. I just wanted to know that how many of you are aware that what was my idea and for what I got this award. So please raise your hand. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you. See, that most of you guys are aware that I am the person who is making the MIS for the invoice status, and this things I have been doing last 1.5 years, and this is very. I know the criticality of the invoice status, how it is imperative and how it is crucial, because I believe in all team hurdles. This is the main topic we are discussing about it. With this report, we are just get to know about the status, whether it is SM wise, team wise, or the individual wise. And I believe that this is the report that individually will know that how I am standing on the invoice and on the invoice prospects. And we prioritize our work and just get our invoice finalized. So I believe that keeping eyes and you can say importance, everything, that actually I give my time to make these reports and on daily basis, even day plus one. And this second business day is the day when actually I don't make this MIS because invoices are not available into this system. So what I used to do earlier, let me tell you about that. I used to get the data from the BOS, paste it into the Excel sheet, just use VLOOKUPs and making a pivot table and all, and giving colors and all. So that whole process used to take 20 to 25 minutes, and sometime more than that, because of some internal change, some new joining, and some people have left, or some new some CFA, changed their reporting manager and all. And I believe that if I remember 2 to 3 times, because of this, actually I have sent it incorrect invoice status to the management. And for that, I am really sorry for that, because of this internal change. I always apologize for that, because this is the thing which I was not told about it, that this person has changed their reporting manager and all. So whenever actually I said shoot out the mail and just someone send it to me as change something, like so on, this CFA should be under this SM and all, and then after actually I made the changes. So now what I have done, I thought that I should do something which will facilitate my work and give the 100% accurate report for me. So what I did, actually, I have used this macro, which is an option in Excel sheet, and don't believe that the whole process, the whole MIS I make now, it takes only 2 to 3 minutes. That's my idea. And last but not least, I would like to say thanks to Saibal and Priniti and Om, because these are the people who supported me a lot. Since I've been using this macro, I faced a problem initially, which was sorted out with the help of Om. I would say so, especially thanks to Om who helped me a lot. One experience just when I was in US, and one day actually I didn't log off my computer, and next day when I came up and I just logged in, I found a lot of ST were there. People were congratulating me, and I thought that for what I am being congratulated for that. And suddenly I got an ST from Priniti. Then I asked that, okay, what was that? Can you please tell me? Then she told me, you don't know. I thought, sorry, actually I'm not. Though I'm accepting all these things, but I'm not aware about it. Then she told me that someone actually got this, whatever the idea you have given, it was approved and you got the winner for that. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Was the macro linked with GUIs, or were you still pulling out query manually?
It's still actually, as you all are aware, that invoice status query is there, which I have to daily basis I have to run it out. Then just put it into the Excel sheet and run. Once you just run the macro, rest of the things are done automatically. Thanks guys. That's all from me.
Thank you so much.